GoHighLevel just released their email AI chatbot. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. Whether you have an existing chatbot that needs to be converted into an email chatbot, or if you want to start from scratch. I will also be giving you my free AI prompts right down below to speed up this process tremendously. So to set up your AI chatbot inside of HighLevel, we're gonna come right in your HighLevel dashboard. We're gonna go right down to AI agents. Then we're gonna come right to conversational AI. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is going over converting existing AI chatbots into email chatbots, which is really fast. That way, if you already have yours built, we can just immediately get it to answer email. The second thing is building these from scratch using my amazing free AI prompts. These have been updated for 2026, guys, so you can train these things way faster. I mean, what you're going to see me do, it works way quicker to get a really good AI chatbot. I also want to let you know, if you have any questions during this video, drop them down below. I will also be linking at the end of this video a full tutorial on the email system inside of HighLevel. So if you have no clue how the emails work in HighLevel, you're going to want to watch this video, then stick around to the other video because it's going to be very, very important. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, let's convert your existing AI chatbot. So go to your existing AI chatbot and click it. All you're going to do is you're going to go right down to this right here where it says supported communication channels / providers. You're going to click it and you're going to scroll right on down until you see email. Then you're going to click it. Now, as soon as you click it, you'll notice something that happens. This pops up. It's called configure email settings. We have to set this up first. So we're going to click this right here and we're going to go through right here to set this up. So first thing, from name. We're just going to do Declan. You want to put in your from name. Very important. Okay. Carbon copy receipts. Put in whatever your email is. Again, whatever you want it sent from. Blind carbon copy receipts is if you want to send out to multiple people. And then right down here, this is going to be the greeting personalization. So you have a couple different things. So right here, you can add in hi, contact first name, and add all kinds of stuff. You can just leave this the way it is because the AI will handle it under format, which you'll see in a sec. But then right in here, you can have the wait time be the exact same as the other channel, so SMS, DM, or we can customize this for email. Now, this is really important because I want to quickly tell you this while we're going through this. Email is different than SMS, text, WhatsApp, DM, as you hopefully should know. And that's why these prompts I have are specifically for, okay, email. Like you'll see right in here, email assistant. It's not just the regular AI chatbot. Like again, you can absolutely have it be converted to that, but the whole point of this is to have an email AI chatbot that covers all your emails. So you can customize right here, pick what you want. You might want to make this longer than the other one, but you pick what you want. Then you click proceed. Then in here, you can pick the format. So right in here, plain text, it'll go through and AI will just answer it. Or you can come to design editor and you can create a new template by clicking this right here. And then you can basically create your own template that will be kind of the building block. The AI is still going to answer the emails for you. You just tweak it. And then right in here, you just put in your name and you save it. But we're not really going to be doing that. We're just going to do plain text. Then we're going to click proceed. Then we're going to do final review. It's just going to show you exactly how it'll appear. So it'll say, hi, first name, which is what we went over in the first part. Then it's going to say, this AI generated response appeared. And that's where the AI response is going to show up. So again, I'm going to show you this real quick. Hi, first name. We come all the way back here. That's the first part. We come back here. Email signature or creating the design editor. That is this part right here. Then it's the AI response. So you customize this part and then the middle is AI. So you pick what you want. Once you have it good, you're just going to click save. And then right there, you come down, you click save. Now your AI chatbot has been configured for email. So that is the first way. We have now converted your existing AI chatbot to start answering emails. That is the first part. So if you came here and that's what you wanted to do, you're good to go. But I'm pretty sure you're going to want to stick around for the rest of this video because these free AI prompts, which are right down below for free, you don't have to sign up with my affiliate. They're yours free in a GoHighLevel snapshot. This is going to change everything because we are now going to come right into AI agents, conversational AI, and we're going to build one of these email AI chatbots from scratch, and we're going to do it really, really fast. By the way, if you're interested in HighLevel, I got the 30-day free trial down below, so check it out. So come right in here and come right to Create Bot. This is going to be the first step. We're going to click Create Bot, and we're going to pick this middle one. This is too basic. This is way too advanced, and like honestly, it's overkill, and this will do the same thing, but this is the best. The middle one is the best. I'm telling you, it's like the perfect blend of just being a little more complicated than this basic one, but it works just right and it's easy to set up with these free prompts down below. So we're gonna click create new bot. And then we're going to pick which one we want. So you can click general Q&A, appointment booking, which these two can be kind of interchanged, marketplace templates, which are pre-built, and then start from scratch. We're not going to do that. We're just going to come right into general Q&A and click it and then click continue. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to name said bot. So we're going to call this one Maria. So put in your bot name. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put it as autopilot. And then we're going to X every single one of these channels. Click the little X, and we're just going to do email because this is going to be strictly an email AI chatbot. Then we're going to configure the email settings just like we did before. We're going to do Declan. We're going to just put in this email. Again, you put in whatever you want. You don't have to. This can be empty. It's just for carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Greetings, we will leave as is. Hi, contact first name. It's just going to put in their first name. Then we're not going to do this because there isn't other channels. It's just email. We're going to do customize for email, and we're going to do 3 minutes because we don't want it instant. You can actually make it more because email is like a slower back and forth. So it looks more real the longer it is. So anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes is perfect. Again, you might want to do earlier. Just depends. I wouldn't do immediately. Just it looks kind of fake. We're going to click proceed. Again, we're going to leave this plain text. You do what you want. We just went over this before. So again, you should know how to do this if you're paying attention. If you weren't, go back. Then we're going to click proceed. We're going to leave this exactly the same the way we like it. We got it all good. It looks good. We click save. Then we are good to go. We come right down. Here we're going to put in the business name. We are going to do, we'll just do Dave's Landscaping. Put in whatever your business name is. Autopilot mode. Wait time before responding. This has already been configured right in here, as you see right here. So we're good to go. Just to be safe, you could put in 3 minutes, just in case you want it to properly work. Maximum messages bot can send. We're going to want to make this like 15. You can make this more because email is like a longer correspondence chain. It just depends. If it's like something where it's doing, let's say, your customer support going back with people, you're probably going to want this longer. Because again, it could be going back and forth. If this is for like sales type stuff, you're going to want to have that. Images, yes. Voice notes. I don't think people send voice notes via email, so you can leave that off. And then you can send bot to sleep when I send messages manually through workflow. No, you're not going to want to do that because email is different. That's more for text. And in here, you have 3 different response styles. You have concise, which is like super straight to the point, balanced, which is kind of in between, and then detail, which is like it goes off. So you pick, and then you're good to go. So from here, this all looks good. Our first step is done. We're going to click save. Once we have that saved, we're now going to move on to the second part once this all looks good, which is bot training. So really, really important because we're going to breeze through this. You're going to come in here, and if you have an existing knowledge base, okay, so again, you've already trained said AI bot on whatever, you're just going to click this very simply. If you have not, we are going to create a new one by clicking this right here. Okay, so follow along. We're going to call this Dave's Landscaping. Don't worry, guys. This AI prompt I'm about to show you will have this built out like that. And we're just going to do Dave's knowledge base. Then we're going to click create. So boom, it's been created. Now, we're not going to go any further. We're going to come right over to this right here. This will be right down below in a free snapshot. You don't even have to sign up with affiliate. It is yours free. This took me a long time. This is going to give you a knowledge base instantly. Again, if you already have said knowledge base, you would have just clicked it. This is for the people if you're a little more advanced. If you don't have it, don't worry. We're going to quickly create one. So we're going to take this entire thing. We're going to copy this entire thing. It's like this. We're going to come right into ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, whatever your LLM is, Claude. We're going to paste this. And all you're going to do is you're going to plug in insertions right here. So first off, we're going to do niche. So what were we? We were landscaping. Put in your niche. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do business name. It was Dave's Landscaping. By the way, guys, this is just such a hack. This is going to save you so much time. Location, we're just going to do Baltimore, Maryland. Service area, Baltimore, Maryland. Oh, by the way, I'm just putting this for location for the sake of time. Put in your full address. Do it. Seriously, do not skip out on that. This is a fictitious business I'm building, so you actually want to put in because if it references it, it's going to need it. Business hours, we're going to do 9 to 5, Monday to Saturday. You put in just the business hours just like that. Contact information, we're just going to do Dave's Landscaping Pros 77777 @ gmail.com. This is fictitious, so if I got someone's email, don't worry. Main service offer, this is where you're just going to put in your main service. So we're just going to do lawn mowing and weeding. You put in whatever you want, but quickly go through this and get these dialed in. That's all you have to do. That's the whole point. I have spent so much time to make this fast because so many people will take 20 minutes to build out a knowledge base. This will be quick. So once you have all of this dialed in, we're then just going to click enter. And what this is going to do is this is going to structure a knowledge base for your business so your AI has a brain. Yo, look at that. That is so good. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this entire thing. And what this is giving the AI a brain. That's the whole point. But what this is going to do is this is going to make it a master, not only of the business, but really important, of the niche. So it understands landscaping, because you don't want it to be like, well, what is a lawn? Like, you want it to know. Now, we now need to pick how we're going to put this in. We don't want web crawler. We don't want FAQ. We don't want table. We want rich text. This is the way to make it the quickest, but also the smartest. We're going to click add rich text. Come right in here. We're just going to do knowledge base, and we're going to paste everything we just copied right in like that. And then we're going to click save. So boom, there we are. Look how good that is. So we can click this right here. We can edit it, and you'll see it's just like that. It's all good to go. So now that we have the knowledge base, which is Dave's landscape, we're going to come right back to this page, because remember, we clicked this and it brought us in the new tab, and we're just going to refresh this page. Once it's refreshed, we click right here. There it is, Dave's knowledge base. We click this bad boy, click out, and click save. Now the AI has a brain. Again, guys, these prompts right down below for free. Now we move on to bot goals. Again, most people, to fine-tune this, it takes hours, if not days, to get this fine-tuned. Do not worry. I have my 2026 AI chatbot prompt that you're getting for free that we're going to use to hammer this thing out quick. So now what we're going to do to get this dialed really quickly and just lightning quick, we're going to come right to this, the free prompt down below. We're going to copy all of this right here. We got it all copied. We're going to come back to ChatGPT just like before. We're going to paste this. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm not even hyping this up like that much. This is actually a huge time saver. So many people don't understand nor appreciate these prompts fully enough. Like, this took so much time for me to configure this. I would build it out and then little things would break and it wouldn't be right. I've had to dial this in so tight to work. And for you, I just want it to be faster for you. So assistant name, Maria, whatever you named your assistant, put it right in there. Put in your business niche, landscaping, target customer. This is just going to be homeowners looking for better lawns. And then main offer, you're just going to insert the main thing you do. You don't have to put everything, just put the main thing. We're just going to do lawn remodels. Okay. Now we just click enter. And now what this is going to do is this is going to build out the entire prompt for the chatbot. All right, this is perfect. So what this is now is this is dialed into 3 different parts. Again, this is what took this prompt so long to make. If you come in here, you'll see it's 3 different parts. A lot of the time with these prompts, it just spits it out randomly and you don't know what to paste. I've made this super easy for you so you can just copy and paste each section. So personality, we're going to take said personality, which is fully dialed, come right back, right into personality. That's all we're going to do. We're going to paste it right into personality. And then we're going to come right here. We're going to come into goal. Guys, I made it as easy as possible. We take the goal, right in the goal. Okay, boom. We paste it right in like that. See, goal. Then additional information. We take the additional information, copy it. Again, guys, these prompts are fire. They're free right down below. We take all of that, and then we paste right in there. So now we have everything all dialed in. See how fast that was? And once you have this, you can just duplicate it again and again and again and switch out little stuff. Work smarter, not harder. So once we have all this, we are going to click save. Now say bot updated successfully, and we are good to go. All right, perfect. So now that we have all this, we now have to move on to this, which is setting up the actions, which is really important for having your AI chatbot fully dialed in. This is like one of the most important parts. Before we do this though, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in learning more about AI chatbots, setting them up, you're getting access to more prompts, but most importantly, learning how to sell this, I have a free private community right down below that you get access to when you sign up with HighLevel under me. I got a 30-day free trial so you can try risk-free or upgrade on me. It's right down there. And when you sign up with that, not only are you going to get 30 days, you get access to my entire private community full of winners, okay? Then you're going to access to all of my trainings, okay? As you see, all of this stuff right here, sales scripts, snapshots, like literally everything you could possibly want. But most importantly, you get access to up to 7 live calls per week where you can hop on for free. I mean, even ones with me, we're going to talk to me. As you see, it's free. And you get access to all of this for free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial. So if you don't have HighLevel, go check that out. If you are on a smaller plan and you want to upgrade, please do that. You can do that too, right with that link down below, so you get access to my entire community. But then if you already have fully upgraded and you already have HighLevel, there's another link down below where you also get access to this private community. So please go and do that, guys. It's going to be awesome. It's going to help you tremendously. And from there, you'll get access to the best community in the world. I'm telling you guys again, no one does it like I do. And if you don't believe me, click the link and look at the testimonials we have. We have more than everyone else because I put more effort in my community because I want to give you the hand-holding that you deserve. But that is all free with that trial right down below. So let's go right into these actions because this is where this gets a little tricky. So first up, we have appointment booking. So we're going to click this. So if you want your AI chatbot to be able to book people, you have to configure this. So first things first, you have to pick the calendar you want and you need to select it. Then you click proceed. Here's the way this works though. There's two different options in the way you can schedule. So first thing is don't book my appointment, only send booking a link. So if you click this, what's going to happen is it is going to send them the link for your calendar. They're going to click it and they're going to pick what day they want. That is what this does. If you don't want that, you're going to uncheck this. If you have this unchecked, it's going to ask them, what day are you free? Tuesday, Monday, Thursday? It sounds more human. I recommend don't doing this one. Then what it does is it basically schedules them automatically through talking, which is the one you want. So don't check this unless you just want to send a link. Pause bot after booking. So after the email basically gets sent and it's like, you're booked, it'll just stop talking. If you want that on, you click that. Trigger a workflow. So after it does it, do you want to trigger another workflow? Again, you would click that and pick the exact workflow you want. And then transfer to an employee post-booking. So if we click this, we can then pick a user inside of HighLevel to send this to. Very simple. Whoever you have in there, you can do that if you want. And then allow bot to cancel appointment, you should have this toggled on. And then allow bot to reschedule appointment, you'll want this toggled on. This just makes your bot seem more like a human. If you want to do multiple calendars, you would just click this right over here and pick a bunch of them in one and go through the exact same process we just went through. So again, if you want to have multiple calendars, you do that. Then we just click proceed, we click save, and then it'll be blue when it's highlighted, and then you're good to go. Trigger a workflow, very simply. This is if you want to trigger a workflow after signing up. So when someone gets the email, it then sends them text or whatever you want. This, you just put in the name, pick the exact workflow you want, put when to trigger the workflow. This is once they book an appointment or whatever happens, you just type it in, then you click save and you're good to go. We're not going to do that for the sake of the video because we don't want it, but that's how that works. Contact info. This is used to update fields when you're basically talking to contact. If you don't know what a custom field is, it is the fields on a contact. So you put in the action name, you pick which fields you want adjusted, you put when to, so once they say goodbye or whatever you want, same like the other one. Once you have it, you click save and you're good to go. Simple as that. Stop bot, very important. When you want to stop the bot, this is what you're gonna do. You enable a scenario, as soon as it says goodbye or whatever they say, I'm not interested, it'll then say bye or whatever, it'll basically give them a final message and then it's going to deactivate the bot. Now you can reactivate it if you want or you cannot and the bot will just never talk to them again. That is up to you and that is what the stop bot does. It is very, very simple. It stops the bot. You click save when you're good, and then you're good to go. Human handover. This is if you want the bot to send over the conversation to a human via email. Because again, guys, this is the email AI chatbot. You enable a scenario. As soon as someone says, I want to talk to a human or whatever, you can have these things pop up. Or I mean, again, they could think you're a human, which is what often happens. You pick the exact user you want, which could be you, Tim, Mary, whoever. So if you get a more complex sales sequence and you want to immediately have it sent over to you or someone else, you do this and it's just going to pop it right over. Simple as you like, easy peasy. You click save and you're done. Very simply, just like the other ones, you reactivate the bot or not, you pick it and then you're good to go and you click save. Then we have transfer bot. This is if you want to transfer bot to another bot. Very simple. We click new bot transfer. You put in the action name, select the other AI chatbot you want because you could have a customer support bot and then a sales bot. When it triggered a condition, just like we did before, you have it say a certain phrase, example, blah, 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 whatever you want. And then it moves. Very simple. They're all kind of built on the same building block. When to trigger the condition, this is what they say, and then you basically put the phrase, and then that is basically going to send them out. Auto follow-up, which is probably one of the most important things that people miss, this is having the bot follow up. So if your bot is emailing someone, and it's like, hey, were you interested? They didn't say anything. You want this turned on, because what this is going to do is this is going to follow up in sales. If you didn't know this, following up is like mega important. This will do that. You can pick the exact time frame. I would do longer for email. This is not MSM because again, this is the GoHighLevel email chatbot. I would do maybe like 40 minutes. And then what you can do is you can add a bunch of different follow-ups. So you could pick days later. And I recommend you max out as many follow-ups. I think you have 5 follow-ups. Let's 5 follow-ups. Go through and get all 5 follow-ups triggered throughout the days. That'll make this bot, if you were doing sales with this email AI chatbot, much faster. And you'll want that. It just looks way better. So if that's you, you're just going to click save. And then you basically have this thing decked out for follow-up, which is huge if you are a sales bot. Then we have preference, enable conversation summary. If you want to click this, it's going to go through and it's going to summarize said conversations, which can be handy. I don't really have that on. But then you're good to go. Then once all of this looks good, we are then going to click save, just like that. And then simply in dashboard, this is just going to be all of the analytics for your email AI chatbot. and then you're good to go. So the last part we need to now go over is properly training this bot to make sure it works. Because oftentimes for your business, it's not going to be perfect right out the gate. It's going to have some issues, and you may have to tweak these prompts just slightly because you want to get it to work the way you work. These bots are getting so damn good at this point that they're pretty much good right off the bat. Back in the day, it took a lot more testing, but there's different ways you can test it. So the first thing, obviously, test through here to make sure it works. Hello. Now, this is not an email cadence, so it's going to look weird. You actually want to test with email. But it's going to basically help you out like that. But this is going to be just to test strictly how it works. The way you really want to test it to basically make sure that it is properly firing off is through said Conversations tab. So let me show you in real time what that looks like in the Conversations tab. If we come right in here to the Conversations in one of my accounts, you'll see right down here, this means the bot is active and we have email filter on. It means the bot is ready and talking. And obviously you can deactivate it right here, but this is how you'll see that it's actually working. So if you want to test this, send an email to the email that you configured in the settings and go into the Conversations tab and watch it unfold. Very simply, that's how you're going to see how it works in real time. And you can go into your email too, Gmail, Outlook, whatever you're using to test. So that's it. Simple as you like. That's how it works. You train it, you get it fine-tuned, and you are good to go. So that's it, guys. That's this video in a nutshell. Please make sure you snag these free prompts right down below. By the way, guys, these took me so much time, so please use them. If you're interested in high level getting access to my amazing private community, the 30-day free trial link is right down below. Upgrade or get in, and you are good to go. Now what I want to do, like I promised before, is I want to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to be the complete email system guide inside of GoHighLevel, because if you're building an email AI chatbot in high level, you're going to need the email system. This is so important, and people mess this up. You need your deliverability rates set up. You need to make sure you have the right sending domain. This goes over everything email related inside of high level. And again, if you want your AI chatbot absolutely crushing via the email channel, you got to have the email settings dialed in, and that is all going to be linked right now. So whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.